bring wonders in our lives, yes you do. And the care you show, so very true. Higher, inspired by you. Higher, inspired by you.
Presenting Haier's French door refrigerator and 3 reasons to buy this refrigerator: triple cooling, dual zone and convertible zone. Triple cooling means it comes with 3 separate cooling systems, 3 separate fans which keeps food fresh and prevents mixing of smell. Dual zone provides 2 special zones for dry and humid storage. Humid zone keeps vegetable fresh and dry zone keeps dry food items crispy. Convertible zone can be converted into freezer or fridge. 118 liters of convertible storage with 3 spacious sub-compartments with sliding bins. So let me tell you why Haier's French 4-door refrigerator is the most premium fridge in the market. With golden glass finish and stylish and luxurious looks, gives your kitchen more royal look. The golden glass finish is dust resistant, which means it is very easy to clean. One of the major problems that we come across is the storage, but Haier's French 4-door refrigerator has taken care of it very well. As you can see, the mostly used fridge compartment has a large capacity of 476 litre with 3 adjustable toughened glass shelves. When you have a party or birthday celebration at home, you need to store bigger cakes, bigger jars, which is very difficult in other side-by-side refrigerator as there is in-between separation. But in Haier's French 4-door refrigerator, as there is no in-between separation, you can store bigger jars, bigger cakes very conveniently. Towards the bottom, we have dual zone crispers. One is the humidity zone specially designed for fruits and vegetables, and the other is the dry zone specially designed for dry fruits, biscuits and nuts. Along with the storage compartment, we have 3 shelves on both the doors each, where you can store your water bottles, soft drinks and juices. Here to the left, we have freezer compartment of 118 litre of capacity with 3 smooth sliding bins. Right of the freezer, we have convertible zone with a large capacity of 118 liters. Through the My Zone function on the touch panel, you can change the convertible zone into a refrigerator or a freezer. Is mounted on the top, which reduces bending up to 90%, which makes it very convenient to search for and store food items. Do you know, because of poor visibility, 30% of our food goes into the trash. But in Haier's French 4-door refrigerator, we have a top LED and a tar LED which illuminates every corner of the refrigerator. So now, no food goes into the trash. There are 9 types of sensors in this refrigerator which detect recently stored food and quickly adapt the temperature. They also speed up cooling process by 16%, extend food conservation by 20%, and save up to 12% of your energy use. Haier's French door refrigerator comes with 3 separate fans, 3 separate cooling coils, and 3 separate capillaries for all different zones: fridge, freezer, and convertible. This helps to keep our food fresh and prevents mixing of smells in different compartments. Freezer, fridge, and My Zone have their respective temperature range. You can set these using the touch panel. Hold the lock button for 3 seconds to access the touch panel. Fridge, 1 degree Celsius to 9 degrees Celsius. Convertible zone, minus 18 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Freezer, minus 24 degrees Celsius to minus 15 degrees Celsius. Fuzzy Logic, through its room temperature sensor, automatically sets the temperature as well as maintains it in both the freezer and the fridge as per the internal load and ambient temperature. Another feature on the touch panel is the holiday function. If you're going on a vacation and want to save energy without any foul smell, then the holiday function helps for the same. The fridge will be off and the freezer will be on, saving up to 90% of total energy. By touching the ABT button on the touch panel, you can activate the antibacterial technology. Here is the ABT device. It keeps your food healthy for a longer period of time and kills bacteria. Press and hold Super Cool and Super Freeze button for 3 seconds to activate it. Whether it's a party weekend or a surprise arrival of a guest, with the Super Cool and Super Freeze function, the cooling in the fridge and the freezer can be fast forwarded. In regular refrigerators, inverter compressor works in variable speed. But with full DC inverter technology, not even compressor, fans also work on variable speed, powered by DC fan motor and DC compressor, saving further electricity. Your food, vegetables and beverages are always maintained at a desired temperature that keeps your food fresh and healthy.
Higher, inspired by you. Higher, inspired by you.